Okay. Test. We are online here. Just slow a little bit. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. It's pumping higher. Gotta take a look back on the higher time frame here. It's been just steadily moving back up. We're nearly back to all-time highs again from Friday's push. Or I guess on NQ we already hit all-time highs. Did we? Very choppy day I see though. Just gotta take a look here. One of the worst Monday I've seen in a bit. That's what I've been hearing. See what we played there. My headphone just broke here, so look at this. This is not good. Blue 12 Rapids today. Is that funded or evals? Hopefully not funded. Those are pretty nice. But not that expensive to really get them funded again when they pass. Where's the SPF marketplace? I think they're finalizing it. We're probably gonna just have it ready. Maybe near the end of the stream or just after market close, whichever is easier. But it's already active. I can showcase in it when more people come on. I don't even know how to play this right now. I feel like we do want to lean higher, but what are we looking at, chat? It just seems like it's consolidating today. We spiked the high. I'm not confident in the direction yet, other than higher. So I'm thinking the next retrace here, we're just gonna try to come back up. ES hourly, the only thing you have, yeah, I think that's where it makes sense, at least to drive into. How's everyone doing today so far? Should we do a P&L check? Top 20 of PW's leaderboard. I saw the top is like 30,000 day one is like people are just full porting. I don't even know what is the point of entering that when you can probably have like thousands of people entering, but there's only one big winner, and like the prize is 25,000. That's basically it. So if you have like 1,000 people entering, and each of them are like, what was that, $39 entry? What's supposed to match to that? Is that just 39,000? He's already profiting right there. Ninja Hack Comp. TradeFi also have a competition. I mean, these are things that was already planned for a long time, for a very long time. I don't know if you guys remembered on stream when I had Brett over. I think it's like 4 or 5 months ago, maybe like 4 months ago. Brett was on showcasing the Grand Cup, which is actually like soon to be announced. But this is basically the competition here. It's the same exact thing. So it's about who's doing it first. If I were to do one, I would literally do it on what the heck? I would do it the way that it'll be free for SPF. It's moving back up here. We didn't get to the hourly though. That's like where it gets tricky. He's paying out 25 places. First place is 10K. It's 25K total, is what I remember. So 10K for the top one, and then the 2, 3, 4, whatever. The prize total is 25, I think. I'm pretty sure. Which he's already making a profit on. And you could argue the test accounts, but they're not that expensive. I'm gonna give it the free Discord. I'm not managing a free Discord right now. I'm focused on a lot of SPF stuff, which is the marketplace. If you guys want to see what that looks like, while we're waiting for price, this is what it looks like here. For Tradeify, Funding Ticks, Lucid. I already posted the pricing and what it looks like. So let's say you want a 50K Tradeify growth, right? 800 smart points, which is basically the equivalent of $80. We're making it at discounted, or you want I think funding ticks is also a good one. Funding ticks here, or the tests, which I think right now is a flash sale, so it's not as good, but like this is also very good. 800. We're trying to make it flat, $80. This is what it looks like. So it'll show you your points. If you want to redeem it, let's say I want to redeem it, you just enter your account and then boom, everything's gonna get emailed to you. Nicely done. So that's gonna be probably out. I feel like it's gonna be out maybe near the end of the stream or at market close. Any plans to allow resets? What does that mean? Resets? Like buy resets? I don't know how that will work, because we were getting, well, unless they give you reset codes. Is that a thing? Do they give you 100% reset codes? I saw someone X with the same interest for the reward system. They seemed like they were copying you. Can you DM me it? I'm kind of curious. I don't want to give them any attention because there's gonna be people copying, but we're doing it in a very large scale and doing it right. Do not redeem. The revamp site is probably coming right after. We're just like one thing at a time. Reset code would be dope. Okay. You know what? I didn't even think about that. I thought prop purchases would be the best thing, but resets are something I didn't think about, but I'm thinking about it now, and it's like that would make a lot of sense because people have a max allocation already. They'll just rather purchase resets. Any inflows that win completes when he would donate 100K to their favorite charity. How generous. Dude, if you were saying that, why not just give the prize to the actual winner? 25 or 10K is like nothing compared to the signups. Oh gosh, let's see. I'm just surprised we didn't want to go lower. Like, look how good it would be to take out this low and also go into the hourly FEG here. That'll be easy. Make it so we can gift accounts. You know, the one thing that I don't know if I showed you guys. This here, it says no expiration date. You're getting 100% coupon code sent after you redeem. So you could just save that code for, you know, you want to use it like 3 months from now? Sure. You want to give it to your friend or like, I don't know, your brother? That's fine too. You just get the code, and that code doesn't have an expiration date. I think every code that we have is like 10 years. They just need to set a cap somewhere. It's like 2030 or 2035 or something like that. So make sure you just use it within probably the first year, maybe, and then we can share it. Damn, this here long after would have been pretty clean. Look at that rip. Damn. Damn. So yeah, I guess one of your guys' tips are resets. So I guess TBT resets would count as one. Lucid resets. is another good one. I guess for the next reset would be pretty good too. It'll be slightly cheaper than a new account. Yeah, that makes sense. Tray file resets. That didn't cross my mind the whole time about the marketplace. I was like, just get new accounts, but resets. I need to see if they're even gonna give generic codes for it, because usually there's no codes for resets. It's always just you reset it. Website's buggy. It's probably because it's getting worked on right now, and also we're waiting for the new website. I think just things are getting delayed. We would have probably had the new website out already if we were doing cashback still, but since we have to do points, a little delayed. Cash be auto converted points. We're gonna probably just install a table where you can convert yourself. What the hell is that? Dude, how do I just know that this is gonna rip like this? We kind of have, I mean, this didn't even take the low yet, but I can see that breaker here off the disclosure, but we didn't even want to tap back down after just, where did that even come from? Where would you get that long? I mean, that's like what I'm thinking about. You have to be long from earlier then. Oh, Carolina briefs on day 6 of government shutdown. What was said? Twelve 13 breakthrough. This is why I am never the best at trying to do all-time high price action, because I'm always just like, well, what is it gonna do now? Hmm. Payout bonus I guess payout bonus this week or end of month. We're gonna, if you got to pay out in October, you're good. It's gonna just take up some time for us to go through them. It's just very bullish right now. Nothing staying short yet. Can't request them their grade out. You just gotta wait for us to. So it's like applied retroactively. So like, let's say you gotta pay out on October 1st. We're probably gonna have it ready maybe like near the mid-October, and then you can submit it. So it doesn't matter when you do it. Just wait for us. There's just a lot of things SCF is doing, and it's just getting a little overwhelming. But the marketplace is the first thing that we're prioritizing. Because you guys are like, you know, what can I do with these points? Chat, I need a trade. What are we doing? Can't long this. It's just very difficult. Unless you're long already. I'm just surprised how well it just ripped through this. Here, I'm gonna be right back. I gotta get my phone. Okay. I was trying to pull up my Robinhood, but I got to verify. I don't think I'm holding that much right now. This is where we're looking at right now. Is anything... How's shit been going? Some things have been moving up, I guess. I don't really have that many shares and things. Yeah, probably not that much. Wonder what we can add. I like to add shares, but like everything's just pushing so high right now. This one we're just nearly neutral on. I'm probably back holding on something like Lululemon. I sold all the one that won pretty nicely, like at 5-10%. The one that I'm holding here just not performing that good, but it's not too bad. Was actually green again, nice. If we can't find features play, maybe you gotta do some options. AMD, dude, What the heck was it happened to AMD? It was much higher today. It was like 35% today. Jeez. It's back to 27% though. Yep, partnership with the OpenAI. I was confused on that. I was thinking that AMD was gonna buy ownership in ChatGPT or OpenAI, but I think it was the other way around. Was it? Was it? Buy LWLG. What is that? Lightwave logic. What is this? You're telling me to buy something that was last week at $3, now it's at $5? Is this related to AMD in any way? Oh, OpenAI buying chips from AMD. Okay, that makes more sense. What was the buy day? Buy day is long. This is what I was going for, just like quick drive, and then we just, you know, buy our way back up like this. You guys like LWLG? See, I'm not even sure what it is. You know what? Since most people put in the chat likes it, I feel like I have to go for it. LWLG Lightwave Logic. I don't know what this is. Hopefully it's not like a penny stock. This is kind of close to penny stock. Not a micro penny stock, but like I think it's still penny. How much am I putting in here, guys? Put 10,000 in just for the chat. Like 1 month is up 53%. I'm buying like the highs right now. You guys are selling me a bag. I can't see myself winning this, but you know what? We're going for it. I wonder if we get it flipped now. This is so rangy. But we haven't really tried to go for the lower leg yet. Bro just filled my light wave sell order. What the heck? I'm getting hustled. I'm actually getting hustled. This is pretty boring price action right now, right? Are you using Robinhood to purchase stocks? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Has been developing internet. This. Oh, okay. Alphabet and Microsoft have already said they're gonna keep an eye on this company. Wouldn't they just want to just do the idea themselves? What are we doing, chat? Do we long this on this next drive here? Do we just keep on buying the shit up? I can't see myself shorting this early. Y'all have patents. It's a boring day so far. So far, 300 people voted. 54% of you guys are green. But that's a pretty high number. That's a really good number. Sell at 252. Remember my call. 252? What is that number? I'm gonna put this up. He said, wherever the longs, or if you guys are looking for shorts, this is put his name. Hassan says sell. Did you take a trade yet? No, we just got on like 40 minutes. It's been 40 minutes. Why I feel like I've been watching charts for like 20 minutes or like 10 minutes so far. Have I really been on there for that long? Yeah, I don't even know what to play here. I feel like this is a wasted stream so far. Where are we trying to long this from? That's what I'm trying to see here. Anywhere we can use smart points, I think to after close, you'll be able to see it. If you guys didn't see it already, I kind of showcased it already. This is what it looks like. It's already like ready to go. We're gonna launch it probably at market close. So 800 points for a 50K account. 800 points is equivalent to $80. It's gonna be like that, like 50K growth, $80. Funding ticks and alpha, $80. So I think all these prices should be lower or not, like basically equal currently to what the current price is. And very simple. You just if you have enough points, you'll redeem and you'll get a email with no expiration date. You could save for yourself or give it to someone else. You'll basically get this card. So that's it basically. Should be coming out I guess in 2 hours, right? Start looking at stock charts. Do the points lower if they do a sale? No, we're gonna just do our own sales. We're not gonna match any flash sales or anything. That's just gonna be too annoying. If we take out this low and come back up, I'm gonna have to long this. So if we just do this, I'm gonna have to just long this back up. In a video how to link projects to TradeCopay and TradeV. I think they're still testing it, but it should be good to go. I'll probably have to make a video soon. Are you trade news this month? We were supposed to trade last Friday, but I'm not even sure what the news we have now. So I just only put red folder on, and let's only put USD. There we go. And let's just apply filter. FMC minutes. Minutes really doesn't move much. Oh, non-farm payroll might come this week. Tentative though, so we don't even know. If not, I guess CPI. Wait, does CPI get moves too based off government shutdown, or is that just that? I don't know. We took the low. Okay, I might be having to hunt along here. I might be trying it, folks. Stay tuned. Wait, look at this. My entry is always bugged. I gotta do this. Was it reload historical data? Can't we get this shit right? You guys are liking lower prices. I think we're just gonna try to get one retrace of 200s and then come back up. I didn't even long yet. I was anticipating a sweep. It'd be a reaction, but Still think higher, guys. I just don't know, like, other than, like, I guess you just blindly soup this because we sweep. Other than that, like, I'm just kind of confused what we could have done there. This is just basically what all-time high price action is. You just really only focus on longs. I know when I was trying to look for longs here, some of you guys were like saying short. You only want to short an all-time high when you get like a very good closure on higher time frames. Because any one tiny retracement is just more for a healthy drive higher. So let's say you look at the hourly, you can see this, like let's say it's hourly here, or even this down close here. If we get a candle closure through them, so we're talking about like probably another 100 points closure on the hourly, then you know you have some strength to actually get a retrace. But right now, this is pretty bullish. It's very hard for you to just jump in shorts, and that's why, even though I didn't get this trade in, the only long that I saw basically framed up was just if this internal low here gets swept, we're just gonna go for higher, and most likely put a decent stop here. I'll probably put a 190, so like 15-point stop. If it gets there, then it was doomed already, but you're leading with the bias. If we were able to come down a little bit lower and leave a gap, it could be an inversion, it could have been like I don't know, like a breaker even. Something for us to play with. That would have been an entry. I don't tend to go for soups, but I feel like maybe in this price actually it could make sense because of how bullish it is, and you're playing at an area where you think it's gonna retrace anyways. So if anything, I guess the only thing, try to focus on bias. I'll try to give commentary, but it's very upside bias right now. Zodiac said, I like the stream, no prop from talk, just straight trading as it should be. Trading, not much trading here yet. There's more day trading, I guess. Can we trade long from here? So that's one thing. Like, you're so long biased, but why would you long right here? Where I don't even know what the risk reward here be. Like, you got to pick your place that you want to really get for long. As long as I think would have been better anywhere under 09s here, 209s. We went to 206 and then just quickly after ran it back up. As long the highs are here is very dangerous, because you never know, like, quick retrade is gonna just hurt you. What are you hearing in your headphones? I'm hearing the same thing you guys are hearing. The lo-fi. The lo-fi. Whoa! It's been a long time. A lot has happened. We'll tell our story soon. Be patient. We miss you. If you guys don't know, is it MyForex funds? These guys are huge. I feel like these guys were like running up the size of like Apex level. Not more like last year, Apex status. But they were getting very big until they got shut down. With payout denials, they can't keep up. And they had a lot of court cases, but I guess they're coming back. This is like 2023, so it's been 2 years, and now they're trying to make a comeback. No freaking way. The domain is not even available. They're, yeah, top 2 in CFD space. I think that was pretty easy. Easily top 2. Not above FTMO, right under them. I have to say. So that they were like, just think of like, just up there, like Apex or Top Step level. Not the level right now, because Top Step just went way past. But they were very large though. I actually don't know what really happened. But I saw in the court cases when they were trying to do live trading and copy trade people, like A-Book people, it did not go well. No way, they're moving to futures? What? Seacrest Markets is my fund futures. Not my Forex fund. Devin said they were ahead of FTMO at that time. This is 2 years ago, so like I feel like a lot of website was still developing, a lot of prop firms. So like you could see, like, I don't know, like Apex I think was starting to break out into a big prop firm. TradeFi wasn't even a thing yet. My fund features was like probably either not formed yet, not established in the future space, or just like the very early stages. A lot should happen. So someone saying they're coming to features, that is very interesting if that's the case. No, nearly 2 p.m. right now. Very, very bullish. Can you explain how you decide your bias? I watched a video, but you just mentioned time frames. In the video, I kind of explain more about how I determine them based off of which side is respecting. So, for instance, let's say the daily. You have daily FAG. If we were looking for a flip, we would have inverse this. So this one is still bullish on the daily. We keep on going. 4 hour. 4 hours is very bullish. Again, we have this gap, retrace, holding through the 4 hour bearish FAG, just slice through it. So I'm just basically using like order blocks and fair value gaps to see if it validates or not for the bias. I think that kind of explained the video there. And you're just doing that time frame analysis across multiple time frames, so you can see now this is basically bullish on every single time frame, even the 5 minute, even the 1 minute. Chat, that 10K is making me money. Lightwave logic. Everyone in chat told me to buy. We're up $55. That's like dinner right there. Dinner for two. It's not dinner to you, so I would have sell then. Yeah, based on fair value order blocks. So how well they're respecting? Are they respecting or then validating? If they're like kind of going back and forth, and that's just more chop delivery, you can't really say it's a bullish or bearish. It's more neutral at that point. So for me, I like to mark them out: bearish, neutral, or bullish. 3 statuses for each time frames. I trade full time, thinking about getting into more business ventures for more income. You trade full time already, but you want more business ventures? What other income source will there be besides more funding? You don't need to do any other business. If you're trading full time already, just add more prop firms and scale up. Unless you're talking about, like, you know, passive income, then that's a different story. Like, you already have the capital to build more capital income or passive income, I mean. Guys, you guys gotta stop spamming the same question. Like, I'm going through them one by one. If I miss one, you could try to ask again maybe in the next few minutes, but I don't want to see it spammed. It's gonna make me avoid the question. Why do you trade in such low volume? I'm a scalper at heart. I look at multiple time frames, and I like going in and out. So, like, for me, I trade 2 hours. I might find a trade that lasts like 10 minutes in that 2 hours. So far, the only valid setup I saw was maybe this long here. This here, I wanted this to get swept. This makes a lot of sense to me. If this could have got swept, I think I would have been very aggressive playing the long, even higher here. But very interesting. I did that. That also the same thing with ES. We would have tapped inside the hourly. That's not me trying to shorten to the hourly. It's more waiting for it to tap in, respect, validate higher, and then just long this way back up to the highs again on ES, which we're gonna hit at 6,800 here. Speaking of courses, I saw who's it? Romeo dropping another course. You guys see that? Romeo is dropping another course. This is what, his 6th course? How much, like, who's buying this? This is what I saw. This is not me telling to buy it, but I feel like at this rate, this is more of just like getting attention because people hate it so much. Because it's the same shit again and again. It's like the best course. You have to be here for it. And then he just keeps, now the price is going up too. I'm kind of confused. Who's trying to eat this up? And he's gonna do payment through, like, I don't know, it'd be like crypto or something where you can't really charge back or anything. People just gotta be smarter than this, man. Like, I feel like at a certain point, maybe you fall for it once, but you have so many people around you to telling you this is a scam or this is not going to help you. And what's going to help you is just trading your own, learning on your own, not through a course that someone makes like over and over and over just to make money out of you. You can't be stupid. Like, I feel like at one point too, like, you can't really feel bad for these people if they have all the resources they need to be aware enough. Who's dropping course is Romeo. Does Lucid deny payout? No, they do not. They're as legit as it gets. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing here right now. We're gonna have to probably do a giveaway. We're gonna just talk a little bit. Hopefully find a trade. If not, that's a wasted day for me. Anyways, chat, for your smart points, comment how many smart points you guys have. I guess that'll be the highlight. That's gonna come out. I think in another hour or two. You guys could. We have a lot of accounts for each of them. I think we have over 500, up to 1,000. I think so. We should be good for this month. There's gonna be some that says sold out, just in case that very particular, because we don't have as much 150Ks compared to 50K. 50K we have a ton, because I think that's gonna be the most popular. But yeah, 800 points for the lowest cost. How do I convert my dollar into points? We're gonna do that. I think maybe Wednesday. Marketplace first, one thing at a time. And if you guys are wondering the discounts, I said I'm gonna do it for like 10 to 15 days. We might just let it run for the whole month. Is it the same smart points for the the 1K rework app? No, it's the regular. It's the 5K one. Your website is mad broken. Can you share a link to it or a picture, make a ticket or something? We have a new website already. It's gonna come out maybe mid-October, I think. Just one thing at a time. The website that you guys are using is like kind of what I did in myself, which I don't have any experience, and like, you know, a lot of developers to help just kind of make it working. But now we have everything custom made, so it's gonna look a lot more professional and faster. Faster was one main thing. Website is cooked. Just share. It might be because they're updating something, but if there's like, if it's the regular speed, then that's just the website being slow. Would you get developers just by people in the chat? We made a listing. We just added people one by one. Oh, you know what? I think I know what it is. The website is actually probably broken. Let me take a look. Oh, okay. It's because they're updating something. Oops. It's actually broken. Okay, yeah. That usually happens when we're trying to push out a big update on a live stage. I did not know. If you long at was it 211 right here? I used your coupon to buy FT, didn't receive the rewards. You have to submit it. Damn, this is just not the best thing going on right now. Might be looking for a long on this retrace here. Imagine this long is the one that fails. Probably looking for a long. Gonna give it like 50 points. Something like this. Gonna go for highs. Something under, yeah, 218s basically. If you guys didn't get your points yet, for submission that happen, you know, within like 7 days, this is like going to get updated this week. A lot of firms are having delays with giving us data, so we're gonna just change it to like update it once a week now for a handful of firms. This is a lot of data, which is already reward sync, so not much you gotta do. You just gotta sit there and wait for it to come, and we'll email it. Hurricane has dropped a video short on Romeo. Oh, damn. Imagine trading this terrible price action trading dream. It's actually just like not that easy. Using a smart points, it's gonna be ready. It's gonna be ready probably at market close at 4 p.m. Any retrace back to the low teen should be a long. I think so too. And that's the highs it's gonna go for. Incredible. How did we miss a few more points like this? I think we have to do the giveaway, and then we're just gonna be watching to see what we can do. Okay, I guess we'll do the giveaway then. I mean, you guys just sat with me watching this slowly grind up, and just us missing kind of every attempt we got, unfortunately. But all right, let's test out if the giveaway bot still work. If it is, be nice. Let's see here. Let's do 8 minutes, 2 winners, and then free prop account. You received a free 25k TPT and already passed it up 1900. Nice, nice. All right, giveaway bot still works. I think we might just wrap this up if we don't find anything in the next like 10-15 minutes here. How does Charlie O win so many giveaways? I have no idea. How many times did he win? Like, I'm actually genuinely surprised if he won a lot. Let's see. He won one, yeah, 2 days ago. Yes. Is that just like one? I feel like Push also won many. I don't know. Maybe I'm recognizing them from through the raffles as well. I count 3 times in the last 3 weeks. This is the giveaway bot from this app here. So like we have no control over this. This is as legit as it gets. And it's like a, I guess it's a Discord bot that a lot of people use for Discord. No, oh wait, I think we switched bots. I think did we? I think we did. We had something else before. I'm not sure. Well, it's all random is the one thing. If someone wins multiple times, that person's just lucky. The raffles, though, we are limiting raffles. You can't win. When you win one, you're forfeited for the next 2. So if you want one that's September, you can't win one October or November. Next one is available is December. That's what we're doing. They compromise the bot. Swear on everything that I have, we did not touch no freaking things. Every raffle, every giveaway, it's always been integrity driven, like no rigged here. That was the pullback. The pullback was like nothing. This is the pullback. Let's see, August 26th, September 4th, 10th. Yo, he just wins a lot. Oh, like a Discord cheat. Is that possible? Can they override it? If that's the case, shit. Well, with the new website, we're gonna do the giveaway on our platform on the website. You just gotta sign in. I think that's what we're gonna do move forward. It's been so delayed though. You guys want trades? I want trades too. This was the only one I was trying to really jump in for, but no dice. No dice here. There is 379 entries. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is that big ass spike? Should I go with what San said to sell at 252 just blindly there? That is crazy. Do a duck race for simple giveaways. I feel like that's too much work. That was such a clear long. Yeah. I mean, I just want that this year. I think I missed. I put these limits here just for it to get missed. And now we're about to hit 252. Chat. There was someone that said at 252, short this. Do we follow his wishes? At 251. $26 seconds for the giveaway here. 426 entries. There's a lot of entries this time. How to enter? I should enter too. Look at this. Boom. Entered. You know, I've entered every single giveaway that I've done. I'm pretty sure most of them. And I also never won one. Not just to show that it's also, I'm not lucky. Let's see. 3, 2, wait, and it already ended. What the heck? Who's the winners? C trades and strikes are the winners. If you want, just make a giveaway ticket. Just go down here, submit a ticket, giveaway plays. Congrats to you guys. Hassan is here. He sees 252. Here's Hassan short. I might as well try to do one contract and see what happens. What a doozy today. Just consecutive push higher and let's see how Hassan shorts plays out here. Yep. Why does it feel like it's about to do another big spike though? Did Hassan give you a stop size? I don't know. It's probably gonna be like 20 points. Who is Hassan? It's a viewer. He said at the start of the stream, I think somewhere early on, he said sell at 252. Nope, just trust me. So I marked it all the way from here, and we were trying to long all the way up. 10-point stop. This is for Hassan, guys. Let's see how it plays. We'll give like a 1.2R here if this plays out. 20-point target. Okay, we're going for a 20-point target. There we go. Let's see if it plays out. Low key though, this is quite interesting here. Did we just get a sus block onto? Let's see if this plays out, chat. I didn't put the stop in, but yeah. 10 points in, 1-1 now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Was that easy to make some money today? Just follow us on blindly. Well, I guess inversion too. Bro, what? Hassan says sell at 252. I was like, okay, let's do it. 252 should be a little bit higher. Just in case. Exactly 20. Yo, that was the easiest money I ever made in my life. He said, trust me, bro. This is literally on my live account too. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna try one here. Holy crap. Holy crap, chat. Dude, Hassan just made me this much money here. These are all live accounts, by the way. Okay, Hassan. We have to reward you somehow. What should we give him, chat? 1 tick drawdown? What does Hassan get here? God damn, that was just like free money right there. That was like the easiest short. 252 limit order. 20 points CP, no drawdown. What do you want? Free account? Shit, whatever Hassan want, bro. He just made me like 2 G's right there. He can take over the stream. You know what? We're gonna hire. I'm done trading. I'm done trading. What should we give him? Okay, let's look at the marketplace. You guys vote. Well, this would be the standard. If he could choose any account here, but make it reasonable, which one are we giving him? Should we give him either Lightning, the Growth, the Pro from Funding 6, Lucid? The biggest one would be the 100k Lightning here. But is that worthy? At least something worth 200. We're for sure give him something like that. I think we give him a direct funded, maybe direct funded, or 150k account of anything else that's not direct funded. Hassan, what do you want here? Let's see, 50k direct funded. Lightning. Okay, you guys want Lightning, so Tradeify here. So it's these 4 direct funded. Are we giving him the 150k or the 50k? You know what? Since you guys decided already what to give him, we're gonna leave this up to chance here. I'm gonna give ChatGPT just because they're on the news today. Flip a coin. Heads for 150k Lightning. Tails for 50k. What's it called? 50k Lightning. Flip it 100 times and tell me the results. Let's see. Ready? This is gonna be what we get here. $53 tails. So the majority tails. We're giving him a 50k Lightning, direct funded. There we go. For making me 20 points with the easiest money in my life, basically. There's like no drawdown, no stress. I just put a TP, and I was like, wait, this is actually playing out. Congrats. If you don't want Tradeify, you can also do Lucid. They're both the same to me. Wow. They were some TP too? Yeah. Chat, type 1 if you took that short with us. Yeah, Azan has made the whole chat some money. That's crazy. Y'all some gamblers. Someone said y'all some gamblers. You know what? I'm proud to be a gambler then. That's some insider trading shit right there. And we have the sus block confirmation. You guys see the sus block? Sus block right there. All right, Hassan, if you make a ticket somewhere in the, I guess you guys should screenshot, just in case someone doesn't impersonate you. If you just make a giveaway ticket and screenshot your username to show you're the real, you can get the free direct funded. Explain the strat. Before we wrap this up, I think we're getting close now. If Hassan wants to review why he wanted that short, feel free to. If not, it's fine. We're gonna wrap this very soon. We did the giveaways already. This should be launched, I think, at 4 p.m. If you have points, so every purchase you're gonna redeem, you're gonna get points here. You can purchase from any of this. Let's say you want to buy the 50k growth. This is what it look like. This is what it looks like here. Very simple. You press redeem. You put your email confirm email address, so TradeFi. You press confirm, and then it'll pop up like this, and your points gonna get deducted. So it's like we made it very simple. If it loads a little bit, and then redemption successful within 48 hours. We're gonna try to do this very quick, just for the test phase, but within 48 hours, it's likely gonna be done within the same day. So you'll see the points get deducted. Now I don't have enough to buy more. 800 points deducted. So all these points here is going to be used now. For Smart Cash, we're going to probably have a method to convert Smart Cash to Smart Points. It's not going to be today. It's going to be like probably Wednesday. I full ported Hassan's trade. Dude, you give someone an opportunity and they freaking shine. Look at that. Tomorrow we're gonna have to find someone else to give me a trade and see how they fare. Because he said this randomly and very early. I think it was like kind of like 30 minutes in the stream. 1 hour later, he's like short 252. I'm like, I marked this out just for the memes of it. And that was the high. If this is the high of the day, this is like a legendary moment right here. Bring Assad instead of Lanto. All right, I think we're gonna wrap this up in the next few minutes. If you guys have any last questions, I'm here. If not, we're gonna wrap this up. This course is coming out right now. ICTs are watching. ICTs are like, wait, how do you do that? Yeah, we're actually making money too. This is like also, again, this is every trade that we're taking is on my live account, right? If you want to take a look, this is like a live 183,000 performance today. 8,300, the only trade a day. Performance this month, which is only like probably 2 or 3 trades. We're up 2,000. Performance, I guess last quarter, which is not in October. 63,000. So like we're steadily going up. I think 200K might be happening maybe in this month here in October if it's just steadily keep on going here. And this count will start at 100. So we're at 83,000 so far in like I think 4 months. Have Hassan trade and you focus on your business win-win. I'll make some calls in the next stream, see if it works or not. There you go. So if you guys want to tune in the next day, you'll see the next call out and see how it fares. There's no shot it'd be 2 for 2, right? Find out next time. It's my own live account. That's why you can see. Oh, I guess TPT does have their own numbers as well. This is one account, but I'm also tied to other live accounts. So I just copy trade all my live. I keep my sim funded separate. So look at that. I'm about to withdraw all my TPT here. I withdrew I think 10K the other day. Here's another 2K each. This is basically another 10K here. I'm gonna let these accumulate here. So withdraw my live funded from TPT, my other 2 live, my personal and my tick live. We're just gonna keep on growing them. So we're doing pretty good. I think we'll wrap this up here, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Marketplace will be ready about 4 p.m. I'll see you guys later. I'll be in Discord if you guys need me.